Kovo Credit Builder is a straightforward tool aimed at helping people build or strengthen their credit score, especially those who may have struggled with getting approved for traditional credit products. The way it works is simple. Users pay a low monthly fee of $10 for 24 months, which is reported to all four major credit bureaus: TransUnion, Equifax, Experian, and Innovis. This monthly payment contributes to building a strong payment history, which is the most significant factor affecting your credit score. There's no credit check when you apply, so it's accessible even for those with poor or limited credit history, making it a solid option for anyone looking to start rebuilding their credit profile. One of the standout features of Kovo is its lack of hidden fees. There are no setup fees, no annual fees, no late fees, and no processing fees. This makes it a transparent and affordable way to build credit, especially compared to many other credit building options that often have numerous hidden charges. You also won't be hit with interest charges, which is a rare and valuable perk when you're just starting out with credit. The reward system is another attractive feature. Users can earn up to $1,225 in rewards, which includes cash back for taking out loans and credit cards through Kovo's partnered lenders. This can be a nice bonus while you're working on improving your credit score, and it's an added incentive to stick with the program. That being said, there are some limitations to keep in mind. The primary drawback is that it takes time to see changes in your credit score. While making on-time payments every month will eventually help improve your score, it may take several months before you start seeing significant progress. Everyone's credit journey is different, and some people may see faster results than others. Additionally, the $10 monthly fee is low, but it does add up over the course of 2 years, which could be a commitment for some users. There's also the fact that, unlike traditional credit cards, Kovo doesn't offer immediate credit access for large purchases. Your credit is built through the installment plan, so if you're looking for a credit card with more flexibility in spending, this might not be the right option for you. Overall, Kovo Credit Builder is a great tool for people who need to build or repair their credit without the complexity or risks of other credit products. It offers a simple, transparent way to improve your credit score with no surprise fees, and the added rewards make it a bit more exciting. While it's not the quickest route to a high credit score and it requires patience, it's an affordable and accessible way to start building a stronger financial future. Whether you're starting from scratch or working to improve a less than ideal score, Kovo gives you the tools to make steady progress and protect your credit along the way.